This is our ultimate conveyor.
Ultimate conveyor. Okay. And now I noticed this is kind of new to me. We have air cylinders tensioning the chain here, whereas our conveyor has air shocks.
Yeah.
Can you tell me what the benefit is of using the air cylinder?
Yeah, well,
over the shock?
it's essentially operating the conveyor just the same way the air shock is. We just went about it a little different way with the air cylinders down inside of there. So,
okay.
Set the chain tension from 40 to 60 PSI for the dual cylinder take-up assist at the entrance end of the conveyor.
With any type of chain, or is this specifically
doesn't matter,
log
yeah,
chain?
458, log chain, either one.
Okay. Do you also run 12-2 sprockets in here, or just strictly 4-2?
Yeah, so on the ultimate conveyor, you can run 3 chain options, 88K, X458, and log.
Okay, cool. On a roller-up cylinder over here, we have a rather small cylinder compared to what we normally see on our Sonny's.
Sure.
What kind of pressure are we running on the roller-up?
You're going to want to run that right around 20 PSI.
Just about 20 PSI. 'Cause, is the roller actually bringing the fork up to the surface like in our conveyor?
Yeah, no, so what we're doing is we're just tipping the fork up for it to catch the roller.
Okay.